Hello and welcome to ChrisPalmerSEO.com. What I'd like to walk you through is our Google My Business optimization service. Everything that's included from beginning until end that's not a monthly recurring fee. This is for optimization. So what I want to walk you through is beginning at the very top of a listing is going to be your business name. Depending on the current climate, it might be most beneficial for you to either put keywords in your name or just go with a branded name. Now we will go ahead and take a look and analyze based on the current climate and your competition. So that's first. Next is going to be category. Now your category optimization is crucial. Your name and your category are two of the most relevant places to make sure that you're properly optimized, and we will make sure that you hit your target. Next, I want to go ahead and take a look here at your reviews. If you have any reviews that have not been responded to, we'll take care of responding. Along with that, we want to make sure that we're including proper co-occurring keywords within your reviews and also your responses. So we'll take care of that for you. Next, service options. Regardless of the options that are available, we want to make sure that the options that you're offering are also talked about and being offered on your website. So we'll take care of service options. Your address is a given. Hours of operation, again, we want to match and mirror over to the website. Health and safety, this is dependent upon you. We'll work with you to determine what is going to be most cohesive with your business. Along with that, we're going to go ahead and walk through the appointments. If you have a relevant calendar or a place where you accept appointments, if you want it set up, we'll set it up. If you don't have it set up, you should, and we'll take care of that for you. If you're looking to set up call tracking or anything along these lines, if there's anything that we can help you optimize, we most certainly will, along with phone service, we can point you in the right direction. Moving down the list here, we want to take a look at your updates. Of course, this is something that's more of a consistent monthly, daily, weekly thing. So we can initially put in an update, but this, of course, is more of an ongoing service. Along with that, we will take a look at more relevant things like your products and your services. As you can see here, you have your products. Now, your products and your services should mirror over to your website. Now, we want to take brief snippets from the website describing the services and the products or products that you offer. We're looking to mirror the website. Remember, Google My Business is a direct correspondent of whatever's on your website. We want to be transparent with users on our website. The same goes with our Google My Business listing or Google Business Profile listing. As we move down this list here, we can see here we have our categories, and the next step is going to be questions and answers. Now, having relevant questions and answers in your overall profile is going to be beneficial in the long run. We want to ask and answer questions that often come up regarding your business. We'll take care of the optimization of that. Along with that, we're going to move down the list here. And last but not least will be the description of your business. This may not be a direct ranking signal. However, this particular description must be optimized, and of course, we'll take care of that. The main objective of this optimization service is to optimize the overall front-facing details that we just walked through. Along with that, we want to include as many images and upload videos that we can. So this service is $200. We will walk through, take care of all optimizations from beginning until end, and of course, cover anything that you might have questions about. So thank you so much for visiting www.chrispalmerseo.com.